In skull, syndesmosis, that is sutura. Today you already know sutura what? Coronalis, sutura sagittalis, and sutura lambdoidea. They are, that is sutura serrata, because between bones, look here, that is temporal, and that is temporal bone, and these temporal bones join together. This parietal bones, they join together with the help of connective tissue between this and this bone. Inside of this sutura sagittalis, we have short fibrous tissue, that is connective tissue joined together this and this bone. If we destroy this connective tissue, we can separate bones like Lego. That is why sutura, that is example of syndesmosis, articulation with the help of connective tissue. And this sutura, that is sutura serrata, and this is also sutura serrata, and sutura lambdoidea, that is the same sutura serrata, because this border of bones, it has that is small processes, and they join together and fix with the help of connective tissue. That is sutura serrata. Then sutura squamosa laterally between temporal and parietal bone, and sutura plana between bones of the facial skull. All of these bones join together with the help of sutura plana. Three types of sutura: sutura plana, sutura squamosa, and sutura serrata. And sutura serrata consists of sutura coronalis, sagittalis, and lambdoidea. Another example of syndesmosis with the help of connective tissue, that is in newborns, we can see fontanelles, that is in Latin fanticulus. Fanticulus anterior, that is the largest fanticulus in newborns. Here it is, we have connective tissue, and this connective tissue replaces into bony tissue at the age of from 12th month till 15th month. That is, in the beginning of second year of life, this fanticulus closed. And posterior or occipital fanticulus accipitalis or fanticulus posterior, here it is, it's between occipital bone and parietal bone. It has triangular shape, and it closed at the age of 2 months. And sometime in premature newborns, maybe fanticulus in the region of angulus sphenoidalis, and this fanticulus sphenoidalis, and in the region of angulus mastoideus, and here it is fanticulus mastoideus. And these fontanelles closed on the second month of the life, usually. Next. Another example of syndesmosis in skull, that is articulation between tooth and alveolar dentalis, and connective tissue fixed tooth in alveolar dentalis, and this type of articulation has name gamphosis. And name of connective tissue in alveolar dentalis, that is periodontium. Look here, that is tooth, here it is alveolar dentalis, and this connective tissue, that is periodontium, and type of articulation, that is gamphosis. And last, syndesmosis on the skull, that is ligaments between mandible and temporal bone. Here it is, we have lateral ligament, ligamentum laterale, and here it is, we have stylomandibular ligament and sphenomandibular ligament. These three ligaments, they also syndesmosis on the skull, articulation with the help of connective tissue. Next, synchondrosis. Synchondrosis in skull, they are temporary and permanent. Temporary synchondrosis, for example, between occipital bone and sphenoid bone, here it is. We have cartilage till age 20, sometime 22, And after this age, cartilage replaced into bony tissue and occipital bone fused with sphenate bone. And we receive one bone, os basilaire, that is temporary synchondrosis, which continues into synostosis. Another temporary synchondrosis we can see in front of sphenoidal bone, that is synchondrosis sphena etmoidalis, between sphenate and etmoid bones. This synchondrosis, the same, replace into bony tissue, and we receive synostosis in this place. And two permanent synchondroses in skull, they present in whole human life. One of them in the region of foramen lacerum. On external surface, this cartilage closed foramen lacerum, and we speak about permanent synchondrosis sphena petrosa. And another permanent synchondrosis in the region of jugular foramen, but this cartilage, it take place in the region of jugular foramen, but not closed it. Only part of jugular foramen forms with the help of this cartilage. That is synchondrosis petroaccipitalis, because it is between pars petrosa of temporal bone and occipital bone. Synchondrosis petroaccipitalis. It is permanent synchondrosis at the base of the skull. And next time